All we need is unrefined coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, sweet almond oil, dragon blood and jojoba oil. For a 4-ounce bottle, we measure out 1 ounce coconut oil, 1 ounce sweet almond oil, 1 ounce jojoba oil, half an ounce extra virgin olive oil, half an ounce of our dragon blood. Let's now start to get our 1 ounce coconut oil, and we need it in liquid form. Place the coconut oil in the microwave and on low heat let it liquefy. Mixed with the other oils, it will stay in its liquid form. We got the measurements for a 4-ounce bottle, but for an 8-ounce bottle just double it up, like 2 ounce coconut oil, 2 ounce sweet almond oil, 2 ounce jojoba oil, 1 ounce extra virgin olive oil and 1 ounce of dragon blood. If your bottle is 16 ounce, just take 4 ounce coconut oil, 4 ounce sweet almond oil, 4 ounce jojoba oil, 2 ounce of extra virgin olive oil and 2 ounce of dragon blood. If you are outdoors doing garden work and these mosquitoes just love being around you, having all your skin covered with this oil, the mosquitoes will stay off you up to 4 to 5 hours. Also, it is a great blend and your skin will love it. It also helps to refine orange skin. If you have a light issue with it, you'll notice a difference after 30 minutes. You also can use it as a bath oil. Add 20 to 25 drops to your bath water and soak in it. Let me know how it works for you. Thanks for watching. Take care all. Shalom.